Hey guys, today what we have is Google Chromecast with Google TV. Alright, so what we have here, guys, is of course the Google Chromecast with Google TV. This is the Google Chromecast with Google TV 2020 edition. Basically, it is the Google Chromecast with a remote, as you see, and I have, from what it looks like, the white one. So what we're going to do is we're going to just open it up. So got my dirty box cutter. It is nice and sharp, so at least there's that. Go ahead and actually get some of these creases undone here. And get this out of the plastic. Alright, just like a normal Chromecast, so let's make sure there's no plastic. Nope, alright, good. Wow, this is cool. So the box, of course, clearly labeled. You have the Chromecast on the left, the remote on the right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Chromecast first. Ooh, it's in a nice bag. That's interesting. All right. We have just the standard HDMI. Get this in focus here. Of course, the Google Chromecast itself. And then looks like we have a USB-C port right here. It was the Google model number, serial number, all that right there. So that's the Chromecast. Let's go ahead and get the remote unboxed here. Also in a nice little bag. All right, pretty basic remote. We got the up, down, left, right, and selection button there. We have the back button, it's the Google Assistant button, home button, mute. Looks like we have some volume up and down on the side. Quick YouTube button and Netflix button, that's pretty interesting. The power button, and I guess that's a back button there. And IR blaster on the outside. Looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries. So what do we got on the inside here? Let's hope it came with batteries, because I don't know. All right, we got the Let's Get Started book. Let's go ahead and why? What's the point of this, Google? If you can do this and just slide it up anyway, what is it? What's the point? Whatever. All right, let's get started. Open it up. Put the batteries in. There are batteries in the box, so that is what it's telling you. So that's good to know. So just, I guess that's the basics of the Google remote here. We have the warning labels and all that. So, all right, good to know. Looks like we have our USB charging base. So that's cool. Oh, I guess it's not like the 4K Chromecast where there's an Ethernet adapter. I guess you can't plug it in via Ethernet. Or I think I saw the other day that the Ethernet adapter is actually for sale if you wanted to. So, but it looks like you got USB-C, USB-A, and plug. And the last thing that is in the box, hopefully, are going to be, yeah, here they are. Looks like it is just the batteries are what's left. Ooh, since I got the white one, I got white batteries. That's interesting. Those actually just pop out pretty easily. I wasn't expecting that. All right. So now we got this out. We got the remote out. Let's do a little comparison. Right now, I do have a Fire TV stick in this room. This is my office. And that's what this is going to be replacing. To be perfectly honest, it's I mean, that's the Fire TV remote, which I'm sure plenty of people are aware of, and everything. I mean, it's about the same size. I mean, it's a little bit smaller, to be perfectly honest. But, you know, it looks like it has all the same functions, pretty much. You know, it has the mute button, the volume button, home button, back, you know, the Google Assistant button, and everything like that. So, yeah, just looks like the layout. There's no back, forward, or play buttons, but that's where all of this is going to be. So, just a quick comparison on the remotes. I would compare the dongles, but the Fire TV dongle is currently plugged into my TV, and it's a pain in the butt to get out. So we're not going to do that right now. But what we are going to do, we're going to get this plugged into the other HDMI port of my TV in here, and we will go through the setup process. So stick around, we'll get that done. All right, let's get this paired. And there it is. So we're going to go ahead and select the language. Then we're going to go ahead and get the Google Home app selected. All right, we're going to click on Setup Chromecast. Look for devices here. So we're going to scan the QR code. And got that pretty quickly overall. And then as you see, it's connecting. It's pretty cool overall. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and then place the Chromecast in my office. Go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, sorry about the focus on the TV here. Alright, gonna sign in with the Google account. Just need to verify, so it's just gonna need my fingerprint. And there we are, it's signed in. So now it's going to go ahead and download the system update while I finish going through the Google services overall. So the system update actually doesn't take too long for that initial update. As you see, we're already at the Google logo. Just takes a minute for it to load back up here. And then we have actually the Google TV logo, which is actually pretty cool. That's what the multicolored boxes are. It's Google TV. It's very similar to what it used to be. And there you have it, Google TV. Just reconnects, and then it's going to start getting everything all set up. So it's basically taking all the information I did through the Google Home app, and it's now loading it into the Google TV. Oh, Chromecast with Google TV. Sorry. So that just takes about a minute or so. Alright, and then now we have to go through the setup of the remote so that way it can actually control my TV. So I do have an LG TV. It's testing to make sure the audio works, as you hear. Tested out the volume buttons, those work. Now the power button. So I pressed it and the TV stayed on. Actually, that's a no signal. So we're going to try it again. We're going to tell it no. It's going to try the second code. And there it goes. It finally turned off the TV. Pretty easy setup overall to get the TV programmed. So there we go. Now the remote's all set up. So here we go. It just installs the apps. That just takes a couple minutes here. And with the magic of video editing, a 3-minute clip got down to 15 seconds. So it actually took about 3 minutes to go ahead and get all the apps installed. And there we go. Chromecast with Google TV is ready. And that's it. As you see, it has my apps and everything on there. Definitely reminds me of the Fire TV layout overall. Alright, now that's it for the video here. My name is Craig with Squappy's Videos. I do hope you guys appreciated this overall. Definitely hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already as well. Hit the bell button so that way you get notifications. If you do want more content like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments down below. As well as don't forget, there will be affiliate links down in the bottom description itself as well. Those do help the channel out. I do thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.